Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is close. Close is an A1 level verb, and it means to shut something. In everyday language, close is one of the first verbs we learn. It's simple, direct, and incredibly useful. We use it all the time to describe the action of bringing something together to cover or block an opening. So, what are some synonyms for close? Well, a very common synonym is shut. For example, instead of saying please close the door, you could say please shut the door. Another synonym, although slightly less frequent in everyday conversation, could be seal. While seal implies a tighter or more secure closing than just shut or close, the idea is similar. The container was sealed to prevent leakage. Now, let's explore some antonyms. The most obvious antonym for close is open. Think about it. To close something is the opposite of to open it. For instance, you close a book when you're finished reading, but you open it when you want to start. Another antonym could be begin. While not directly related to physically shutting something, begin can be seen as the opposite of close in some contexts, especially when referring to events or processes. The meeting will begin at 9 a.m., contrasting with close, which signifies the end. We use close in so many ways in our daily lives. We close doors, we close windows, we close our eyes when we sleep. Think about common expressions like close the deal, meaning to finalize an agreement, or close to my heart, meaning something is very important to you. She is very close to my heart. Another common phrase is close call, which refers to a narrow escape from danger. That was a close call when the car almost hit the pedestrian. Also think about stores. At night, they must close. The store is going to close. We also use close in digital context. For instance, we can close apps or tabs in our computer. A bank may close some accounts if they are no longer active. In the context of friendship, we can be very close to our friends. Close the window, it's cold outside. Close your eyes and make a wish. The museum will close at 5 p.m. Close the book when you are done reading. I need to close the laptop before the battery dies. Here are some phrases using close. The store will close its doors. The investigation will close soon. The distance is very close. He is close to winning. The road is closed due to construction. I will close the issue. They close ranks to protect their leader. The police closed off the street. The museum closed for renovations. The bank closed my account. So, to summarize, close is a fundamental verb, meaning to shut or block an opening. We explored synonyms like shut and seal, and antonyms like open and begin. We also looked at its use in everyday expressions and sentences. I hope you found this episode helpful and informative. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and learn new English words. Now, for your challenge, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word close and share it as a comment below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep saying hello to new words.